Let's make the perfect sandwich bread. We're going to start off with 2 cups of warm water and 2 cups of warm milk, 2/3 cup of sugar in there. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of instant yeast. I'll let that sit for about 5 to 7 minutes. Yeast is doing its thing. We're going to hop over to our grain mill here. So let's get our 4 cups of whole wheat flour in there. And we're going to do 8 cups of just normal all-purpose flour. Okay, so I've got a stick and a half of melted butter right here, 2 tablespoons of salt. Set on setting 2 for about 5 minutes and let it knead and do its thing. And we're gonna let it sit and do a rise for about 45 minutes, and then we'll shape it and put it in our loaf. And we'll come back in an hour once they've doubled in size, and then they'll be ready to bake. So this is what your bread's gonna look like about 40 to 60 minutes after your second rise. And we're gonna go ahead and preheat the oven to 375. Throw these guys in there, and we're gonna let them bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. Now I like to just brush them with some fresh butter. So this is what our inside's gonna look like, and it's still warm. Perfect to put some honey and butter on.